Yo, welcome to this adventure. Thank you for being. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give a comment. Most people they want views, they want subscribers, but they don't know the right way to get them. Well, to take a while, it's all about patience, and trust me, it's all about waiting and doing the thing which I'm gonna tell you. The various app which are real, the various app which are fake. Let's go through and show you the best way to get subscribers, the real one, the views, the like, and the comments. And make sure you do the same. Subscribe here, like, and comment. Okay, I'm gonna show you videos like this app and some other app like for other social media where you can easily get the real followers. For YouTube, I have like YouTube channel, view boost, view. There's so many views, and I think they're effective because you're getting the real follower, the real subscriber, the real views, the real likes. And I think I have like 10 of them so that I can easily boost my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started with, let me check this one. The problem with the YouTube sometimes it loads for long. It's taking too much over time. Let's try another app, I think. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, let's try this. Your channel. The good thing about your channel is that you just press play. So the video you want to see another one. So press the button play. Watch for 45 seconds. You get your coins. And the more you collect the coins, the more you can use to campaign. Like see the previous campaign I've done 50 views to 50, 60, 18 subs. Straight now, this video, the last video is around 1.3k views for 5 days. It's good for boosting. And by the time you get the coins, you can come and put your link here. Or if you've tried, there are previous links already there, like mine. But you always place your link there, or if your phones do campaign, the previous one will be there. Let's go check out the app. Still loading this app. That's the worst thing I hate about it. But yeah, it's not open. It's the same like the other one. See, they have boost. So boosting from different app. Imagine getting 50 subscribers for 1 hour, another 50, another 50. Like every 5 apps, you can get like to